Hi, it's Laura, and I'm in my room, my new room. It's my second or third night, and I just love it. Sunshine and Bobby really did a wonderful job, and it's so cozy, and I love the lamp. I have pep, my Pepsi and my water. And somewhere around here is Darcy running around. The kitty's in my room. And there she is. Hi, Darcy. She likes playing with my purse. And I'm pretty set up pretty well. And Sunshine and Chaos Budgeting and Cooking. I probably said it backwards again. But she uploaded a video of my room tour. So I'm going to link it below. And I hope you guys will go watch it and see the hard work she put into this room. And I'm not going to show it all because she has a tour of my room. And I hope to be back making Savings Challenge videos really soon. We're still trying to get the office straightened out so I have a space to film my Savings Challenge videos, and I hope Sunshine Midge can come back and do hers also. We're trying to get her monetized, and I know she hasn't really been posting much, but hopefully she can come back soon and start posting and get monetized. She needs watch hours. If you guys can help her out. And I have my TV on. I'm gonna get ready to watch a movie. And my light's probably bad because this is nighttime. But I'll try to brighten it up. And I'll link the video below with the room tour. Hope to be back soon. I'll see you in the next video. I'll probably leave some if I can find Darcy. And she's sleeping with me for the first, sorry. She's fast. She likes to go under all the furniture. But she's gonna sleep with me tonight, and she'll be living in here with me. And Sunshine ordered, get down off the knobs. She ordered a tree for her, so hopefully that'll keep her busy. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye, I miss you all.